one, or are you gonna just?
I think we should do a
time?
grip shot. Maybe. What do you think?
I kind of want to see the suffering, and then the next
loading it
person.
up. I'm not.
I think we should do like. Can
very
we do
excited.
a reaction video after? Like.
We should give you thoughts as to what's going on. Do you like hot sauce, kid? Not really. Oh, well, you're the perfect guy to do this then. You're the perfect guy. Give him one.
Even better.
Load it up for him. He gets a drop for
Yeah,
everybody.
everybody. One more drop for everybody.
Oh my
We're really flavoring this one up. Let's
Oh,
do it.
I got it all over my hand.
Oh, you're really bad at. Why did we let Mike do this?
This has got to go tongue down as well. You really got to
I'm
like.
just biting it. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right. Delightful.
Thank you, Darren.
I'm going tongue down.
Not bad at all.
I don't want to act like overly shocked because I feel like that's offensive. This is
go back
really
to
good.
another one. This is really good.
This is really good.
I can taste the blueberries.
Yeah.
Sure.
It's got a little heat, a little afterkick.
Yeah.
Oh, it's more flavorful than hot,
I
right?
know,
You
right?
can, you
Oh, yeah,
can
for
certainly
sure.
sacrifice
Too much?
flavor for comfort.
If I can take it.
Oh yeah.
This is definitely a flavorful hot sauce.
Thumbs up.
Very
Yeah.
flavorful.
Great. Hey, not too much. I'm at the facility right now, standing here with Kara and a bunch of other people, and we just tried your hot sauce.
Doing the hot sauce dance.
It's delicious, man. Everybody likes it.
I have a mouthful.
So this is the Crimson Hot Sauce. Oh no, that's Crimson Hot Sauce. It's the Kick and Serrano peppers.
That's my favorite.
Oh man.
Send me more, please.
Yeah, we were very excited. We can taste blueberries in it and everything. It's delightful.
So the other ones I've got a habanero sauce that's not super lights out. That's done with pineapple and banana, and it's fantastic.
Kara's Kara's dancing. Kara's actively dancing at her desk right now.
I'll pop some on UPS. Get it up the road.
Oh my god, you are the man.
Thank you. It's really not. It's just more flavor. Yeah, just go for it. Right? That's good stuff.